Hi guys, this is Jessica from the Millhopper Branch Library. Today we'll be making watermelon flavored lip scrub. This particular recipe calls for a 1/4 cup coconut oil, a 1/2 cup sugar, and a few drops of watermelon flavoring. I would like to point out to make sure that you use coconut oil that is food safe. Coconut oil can be used externally on your hair or skin, but we do not want to use that kind of coconut oil for this project because we intend to apply this to our lips, and you could potentially ingest a small amount of the lip scrub. For our flavoring, we're using what we have on hand, which happens to be watermelon flavoring, but you can also use Kool-Aid if you have that on hand to add flavor to your lip scrub. If you don't care for watermelon, you can use any flavor you wish. Maybe even get creative and combine a few to create your own signature flavor. This recipe specifically calls for liquid coconut oil, so if your oil happens to be solid, you can place it in a microwave safe dish and slowly warm it up using about 10 to 15 second increments until your oil turns from solid to liquid. Once all of your ingredients are ready, we mix all three together in a bowl until they begin to clump together. Now we'll add our flavoring, a few drops, and you can adjust to your taste accordingly. Then you can transfer your scrub to an airtight container, and it is recommended that you store this in your fridge. Just like so. When you are ready to use your homemade lip scrub, apply a small amount to your lips and gently massage in small circles, and then follow up with rinsing with warm water. It is recommended to do this 1 to 3 times per week at most, as you don't want to do this too often. For best results, apply lip balm after rinsing off the lip scrub. Enjoy! This is just one of our Teen Summer with the Library programs. Don't forget to sign up through Beanstack and check out even more virtual programs that the library has to offer this summer.